Welcome. If you've ever missed important moments on Discord because you didn't hear the Deafen notification, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to enable notification sounds for Deafen on the Discord app for PC, following the latest update. This quick guide will make sure you never miss an audio cue again, whether you're gaming, streaming, or just hanging out with friends. Let's get started. First, open up your Discord app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to that, there's a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Click on that gear icon to open up the settings menu. Now, in the user settings menu, look for the section labeled Notifications on the left-hand side. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you can customize all your notification preferences in Discord, from message alerts to sound effects. Inside the notification settings, scroll down until you see the sounds section. Here, you'll find a list of different actions and their corresponding sounds. Look for the option labeled Deafen. This is the setting that controls the sound you hear when you deafen yourself or when someone else deafens you in a voice channel. To enable the Deafen notification sound, simply click the toggle switch next to Deafen. When the switch turns blue, you'll know it's enabled. From now on, whenever you use the Deafen feature, you'll hear a clear notification sound, making it easy to stay aware of your status during calls. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you've made sure you'll never be caught off guard by accidentally deafening yourself or missing out on conversation cues. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother Discord experience.